In Shillong, Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs John Barla distributed appointment letters to the newly inducted recruits in government departments and organizations on the Rozgar Mela at an event held at the State Convention Centre on Tuesday. A total number of 293 candidates from the different states of the northeastern region got their appointment letters through the Rozgar Mela. The total number of 126 candidates from Meghalaya who were inducted in the various departments received their appointment letters. While speaking on the occasion, Barla said that on the Rozgar Mela, the process is on for providing 10 lakh government jobs to youths in 38 ministries and departments of the central government.
सेवा के
दीपिका मिनिस्टर
रोजगार में देखिए मोदी जी का सपना है 10 लाख का रोजगार का व्यवस्था करना देश का हर युवा युवती का। आज ये नवा रोजगार मेला है। देश के हर कोने कोने में आज 45 सेंट्रल में आज रोजगार मेला का आज हम लोग का अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दिए हैं।
I feel very honored and blessed actually that I got the opportunity to be part of it, and I would like to extend my thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister for giving me the opportunity to work with the Government of India.
A joint meeting between departments of